Okay, today take a look at the 8-in-1 USB-C hub. So the first thing that catches my eye is that this is actually a metal case. This is not plastic, so I really like seeing that. We actually have Ethernet on the back, which is something I really like. I always find that Ethernet is always just more reliable than Wi-Fi. I still use Wi-Fi all the time, but having that option is very nice. We got two USB-A 3.0 ports, SD card, micro SD card, or also known as TF. This is a USB-C output, so this is going to plug into the computer. And then here we got our power delivery port. So what that means is we can actually plug our power supply into here, and then when we plug this into the laptop, that will supply power to the laptop. So we don't have to plug into two ports in the laptop. So that's very nice. I like seeing that. We also have an HDMI and we have another USB 3.0 port here in the back. So this is a nice layout. What that means is we're going to be able to take this and we're going to be able to set it on our desk like that. We can plug in our extra monitor, our power, and then like a keyboard or a mouse or something like that. And then this is going to be facing front. So we're going to have access to our cards and our USB ports. So if you have like a USB thumb drive we need to throw in, we can do that. Very nice layout. Very good design. Plug this guy in here. Plug that into the laptop. Cool, just like that. Works right out of the box, just plug and play. So I want to extend this. As you can see right now, everything I'm doing on this monitor is also happening on this monitor. So instead of duplicate, I'll go to extend. There we go. So now I have an extra monitor that I can work with. So I've got my mouse cursor right here. And if I want to move it over there, just bring it out. So that's awesome. I'll just make sure the USB port works. Yep, okay, picked it right up, no problem. So that's pretty awesome. That is a fantastic little dock. That is gonna make my life a lot easier, especially now that I've got just the USB-C ports on this laptop, but I still got all those USB-A devices, and plus just having that HDMI and that Ethernet on there. This is a fantastic little dock. That is great for expandability.